We were all perfectionists, really. We edited the material, we presented it, we designed the book cover.
At the end of the day, the degree is about them. It's about what they want to bring to it.
We've been very, very, very focused on our themes and how we want people to experience the stories.
Not only do I work as a photographer, I work as a travel writer, and I deal with all these different people all over the world.
Have you noticed a big increase in the amount of plastic in the ocean?
I was in Egypt, in the southern Red Sea, and I came across a couple of turtles. And then I looked at it closely and I realised that it wasn't a jellyfish it was eating, it was actually a big plastic bag in its mouth.
It's not just the work, it's the whole design.
I was originally trained as a typographer. I love type, and type for me is a really precious thing. There's the war with learning software. So they're up against it, they're hitting against this wall.
Wait, can we do it again?
Then all of a sudden, you see and they smile.